Ma'am, yeah, both of you look at me. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, look at me.
सर यहाँ पर एक यहाँ पर लाइट में
Thank you.
Okay, ठीक है ना? हाँ, वीडियो बन रहा है।
अंदर आ जाओ प्लीज। हाँ हाँ सर यहाँ पर
Okay, sir, yeah, right, sir.
जाके सर लेफ्ट में आप सर यहाँ पर
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome. Come on, a little applause for him. This is Ashok Dhamankar from Magnet Publishing, because I'm so used to saying Magna Publishing. This is Magnet Publishing. Well, Ashok, thank you so much for bringing this to us, and I must say you're doing a commendable job. I request the editor, Andrea Costubir, to join us. The talented, the supremely talented Andrea with us today. And he is the actor, producer, director, Mr. Rakesh Roshan here. Can I have a huge round of applause for him? When I say about inspiration, he is the one. When I say about the legacy, he is the one. He is a legacy in himself, and of course counts on the legacy of the Bollywood here. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. Your attendance, your presence here is just making this entire evening so entertaining, so shimmering. Thank you so much. Well, this is the time that we've been waiting for. And here we go. This is the Society Achiever magazine, the latest issue of April 2025, where we have the Roshans actually making the cover completely Roshanable. Well, how does the magazine look to you, sir? If you can come here and talk to us for a few. I think, I was just mentioning that what an inspiring thing, and I must say you were on time to the dot.
One thing I do is I'm very, very punctual. So I'm sorry for being on time. I would like to thank Ashok, Andrea, for giving me the privilege to honor to unveil your prestigious magazine's cover, Society, with the Roshans on the cover. Thank you so much. And I'm missing the presence of our friend Nari here. But wherever he is, I know that you will be blessing us for this occasion. And thank you once again. Thank you.
Well, sir, you cannot. We just want to talk to him. Should we finish talking to him first? Because since he already has the mic, let us do that first. Sir, you were already on the cover. You're shimmering, you're glittering, and of course you have the entire family on the cover. We have Hrithik Roshan, Rajesh sir on the cover. How does it feel? Like, what is your instant moment when you saw the magazine cover?
Well, it feels good because the work what we have done in so many years has been recognized and is being recognized. So we are happy about it.
Very nice, sir. So your new Netflix series, which is actually The Roshans, is out. Any insights, any kind of trivia that we can get? What exactly happened? Anything that you would like to share about it?
And I think I almost seen the Roshans on
I
Netflix
have.
and
Twice I've seen it. All the 4 episodes.
You know everything about, little more about our journey. And it was, though very tough to make a documentary, because I thought when I made 18, 19 films, documentary will be a very easy thing to make, but it was the toughest for me to make.
So you never mentioned in your series as who's your favorite actor?
Pardon me?
You never mentioned in your series as who is your favorite actor to work with?
My favorite actor. All my actors are favorite.
Oh, it's so diplomatic, sir. Well, anyways, one.
Rakesh Roshan.
Well, do we see Rakesh Roshan in some new, in a new avatar or new facet in the upcoming? Anything new, exciting coming up, sir, that we should know of?
Yeah, I'm keeping my fingers crossed, waiting for some producers to call me and take me in this project.
So, is it going to be a take two Roshan?
Pardon me?
Take two Rakesh Roshan?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, is there any message that you would like to give our readers? There are a lot of media which is right here. Any message for them?
Please please read the article and let me know the feedback. Thank you.
But you've also mentioned about a lot of ups and downs in your career, hiccups and everything.
I think you should see the documentary. I've spoken about in that.
Okay, great. So, great, that's it. Thank you so much, sir. We would like to felicitate you. We'd like to honor you for coming all the way here and gracing our cover. Thank you so very much. It's a beautiful moment and a beautiful presence with you. So, Ashok sir, if you can do the honor.
Rakesh over here. We've been talking to Rakesh for many months, and always Rakesh used to say, please wait for some time, and we are going to definitely do this cover. And today, it is a completely honor for us to have Rakesh, not only Rakesh, but Roshan's on the cover. Okay, it's a great moment for us, and we are very thankful to Rakesh. Thank you.
Andrea, would you want to add something in it?
Yeah, I interviewed Mr. Roshan and it was honestly a pleasure. He's spoken really well, and everyone please do read the magazine because it's a wonderful interview. It's in there, and you know he's gone way below the surface, and he's such an inspiration, sir. You're really an inspiration. Thank you for giving me such a lovely interview.
On the Society Achievers magazine, this is with a lot of love. And of course, Nari sir, who's watching us from above. Thank you for being here. Can I have some amount of clapping for him, please? The legend is already here. When I say the man with the legacy, he is the legacy, and of course, he comes from the legacy in the. And of course, and she's a powerhouse. She's the one who has a strong mind and the willpower to say it all. She's a doctor, and of course, she's influencing a lot of life and the lifestyles here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dr. Sheetal Gagrani. Thank you for being here. You have spoken high about yourself and about your life journey in the magazine. We are eager to read it. This is Dr. Sheetal Gagrani with yourself, a picture to remember all your life. Well, would you like to speak a few words for us? There is a lot of people who would want to hear from you. Claudia, there's a little token of appreciation from Society Achievers magazine. Thank you, and you have also spoken a lot from your heart, from your spirit about yourself, your journey. We are really eager to know more about it. So after this, we would like to talk to you. Thank you for your presence, and yes, a beautiful memento to take home.
Yes.
Well, now it's time for some photo opportunity, and for which I will now like to call upon Sunil Kavnekar, Shivendra Parihar, Preeta Nair, Amber Dyers, and Mario Fernandez to please come up and please come here, join us at the show wherever Nari sir is. He's actually blessing all of them.
Yes, sir.
Is Yogesh Lakhani here? Hello sir. No event is going to be complete. आपके बगैर कैसे complete हो सकता है? Well, the man with an acumen of publicity, with the acumen of business. This is Yogesh Lakhani. Well, thank you so much. This is the Delhi team forcing the force behind Society Achievers magazine. Well, helping us in distribution. And there you go. Thank you so much for being the force. She's got the spirit that is required to be the tigress, ladies and gentlemen. I am super fond of her. I love her in every way, ladies and gentlemen. She is the one who is a PR specialist and image consultant. but I may say that she's a tiger. She's a spirited tiger in her own way. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Anusha Srinivasan Iyer. I also request Vedant to please join her, the son, the force behind Narad's strategies. Image, you want to learn about PR, you want to know anything, well, she is the solution to everything. An acumen of somebody who knows the entire media industry to such a finest way. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Anusha Srinivasan.
Felicit our host Rupali Suri, who is here.
No, see for
Doing a
me.
wonderful job.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
I think now it's a time that I really want to, we would like to do the proper cover unveiling since the magazine is here. Sheetal, can you come on? Also, Claudia and the Magnet team.
Well, the entire Magnet team, yes.
थोड़ा टाइट आ सकते हैं क्या? ऊपर ही कम क्लोज।
एक और पहल की है और एक कदम आगे बढ़े हैं। राकेश रोशन जी आए थे, कितना अचीवमेंट रह रहा है सोसाइटी अचीवर के लिए?
It is a real great moment for us that first having Rakesh, not only Rakesh, but Rakesh Roshan's on the cover of Society Achiever. I think this issue will be a completely sellout. And I wanted to tell you that today, from this issue onwards, till yesterday, last month, we were we were on a digital, we were on a subscription base, we were on the social media. Now, from this issue onwards, we will be also adding, and the magazine will be available across India, all the airports, and a few stations like Mumbai and Delhi, newsstands too. So it is a real great moment for Society Achievers and for all of us at Magnet. Okay. Apart from the Roshans, we also have super features. One of them is like Sheetal Gagrani. Her stories, it's a very well written by my colleague Andrea, and I think I want everybody to read her story. It's a very inspirational. Over to Sheetal.
मैम आज आपको भी अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया, क्या कहेंगे?
सो इंडीड बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, स्पेशली जिस मैगजीन में ऋतिक कवर पे हो और उसके साथ आपका नाम हो, सो यू कांट इमेजिन व्हाट इट इज़. सो या और जो जिन कॉजेज़ के लिए मैं फील करती हूँ वो कॉजेज़ इसमें लिख कर आए हैं, एंड लोग उसको पढ़ेंगे तो उसके बारे में जानेंगे, सो जिससे मेरे कॉज को और सोसाइटी को हेल्प होगी.
मैम कौन से लोगों को इस मैगजीन में चांस मिलता है कि वो आकर यहाँ पे अपनी स्टोरी बताएं, उनके बारे में लिखा जाए, जो लोगों को एक अलग मैसेज देने का काम करता है इस मैगजीन के द्वारा?
So we only feature legends and achievers in Society magazine, okay, in Society Achievers magazine, and amazing women, amazing people like Dr. Sheetal Gagrani, who's doing so much for to combat cyberbullying. She has her own NGO called Brush of Hope, which is what we have written about, apart from her other achievements. Then Mr. Roshan, of course. Then we have Claudia, who's with us today, and she has transformed herself from an actress to being, one of the nutritionists, right in the forefront. So we have some very, very interesting stories. There's an interview with so many amazing people, very honestly. There's also a lovely story on Dr. Jaishankar, who's our External Affairs Minister. We have a lovely interview with Tarun Tailiani, who's one of the biggest names in Indian fashion. So there's really lots to read in society.
सर किस तरीके से ढूंढ कर लाते हैं किस तरीके से सबको ढूंढ कर लाते हैं आप इस मैगजीन के लिए?
It's a very hard job for us. हमको तो काफ़ी रिसर्च करना पड़ता है. रिसर्च करने के बाद हम लोग उसको we have a discussion internally कि किसको डालना चाहिए और कहाँ पर कौन से मंथ में डालना चाहिए. उससे हमारी मैगज़ीन की रीडरशिप बढ़ेगी और we keep doing good job month after month and you're seeing the results.
एक चीज़ मैं बता सकती हूँ कि बहुत ऑनेस्ट इंटरव्यू होता है. सो मैं तो अपने इंटरव्यू के बारे में बोल सकती हूँ. तो जब मैंने पढ़ा तो लाइक इट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एक्चुअली फेल्ट, जो मुझे अंदर से लग रहा था उसको वेरी ऑनेस्टली एंड्रिया हैज़ पुट इट. सो या दे डू अ फैब जॉब एंड मुझे तो बड़ा ऑर्गेनिकली ढूंढ के निकाला इसने. जैसे मैंने बोला कि पिछले कई सालों से तो मैं यूके और इसके बीच में रहती थी और मैं ज़्यादा पब्लिक में नहीं आती हूँ, मैं पीछे से काम करती हूँ. तो मुझे बहुत ऑर्गेनिकली इन्होंने ढूंढ के निकाला. ऐसा नहीं था कि अप्रोच किया और ऐसे करके. इनको ऑर्गेनिकली मेरे बारे में पता चला तो इनका मुझे फ़ोन आया कि हम आपसे मिलके पहली बार बात करते हैं. फिर बात करने के बाद उन्होंने मुझसे बोला कि हम आपकी स्टोरी लिख सकते हैं क्या. तो मैंने पूछा मैं घर में पूछ के बताऊंगी आपको आप लिख सकते हैं या नहीं. फिर उसके बाद इन्होंने 2 इंटरव्यू किए, फिर मुझे लिख के भेजा. तो मैंने देखा कि वो जो बिल्कुल ट्रुथ, मैंने उनको पहले भी बोला था कि जो भी मेरा इंटरव्यू होगा इट हैज़ टू बी कम्प्लीटली ऑनेस्ट. And yeah, so they really work behind each and every is what I can say. I can vouch for that.
मैम सेटिस्फाइड हुए आप मतलब ये स्टोरी को देखकर इस मैगजीन में?
Yeah.
अच्छा सर नेक्स्ट पेज क्या होगा?
Next, I think you'll have to wait for it, like
Just wait.
Next month, and thank you so much, Sheetal.
Thank you so much for having
Really,
me here.
yes.
Thank you for having me.
Would you like to give us some message to our readers?
Messages like that I always say that we're not going to walk on this earth ever again. तो हमारा टाइम लिमिटेड होता है एंड ऐसे आप अगले हफ्ते की बात कर रहे हैं तो रोज़ में जिए और हेल्थ का ध्यान रखिए बिकॉज हेल्थ जब तक है तब तक सब रहता है. सो आई ऑलवेज से दैट हेल्थ स्पैन की तरफ ध्यान दीजिए, हेल्दी रहिए, खुश रहिए, पॉजिटिव रहिए.
Sure. I'm extremely grateful to the Society Achievers Awards, magazine, and Ashokji for giving me the opportunity to feature in this prestigious magazine. And more than that, I always wanted to spread more the message that about my mission, Healthy India, because we are really aiming to help 1 lakh people to transform their life, to make them healthy, to improve quality of life, not only to lose weight, but also, cure the diseases, reverse diabetes, reverse liver disease, which is nowadays growing. And we can definitely, prevent that. So thank you so much for the lovely interview. It was so insightful, and I was like extremely happy to answer all those wonderful questions. So please read the magazine. And of course, I would like to thank my boyfriend Arjun Goel, who is with me today, and he's always there as a rock, supporting me in everything I do. So thank you so much. That's our achievement as well.
How sweet.
Yeah.
How sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Arjun. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, I know. Society Awards बहुत प्रेस्टिजियस एंड ओल्ड मैगजीन जो बहुत टाइम से अपना मार्क छोड़ा है इंडस्ट्री में. इनका अवार्ड्स मैंने कई बार ज्वाइन किया है एंड मतलब ये स्टार्टेड अवार्ड्स आप कहाँ होती हैं, कुछ ही गिने चुने हैं, उसमें से सोसाइटी अवार्ड्स वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट अवार्ड्स है. उसमें शाहरुख सर नहीं है, वो संदीप सिंह सर का प्रोडक्शन है, लेजेंड स्टूडियोज़ का है एंड उसमें मैंने भी मिलिट्री ऑफिसर का रोल किया हुआ है एंड उसमें शाहरुख सर इन्वॉल्व नहीं है. तो एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोजेक्ट और आप लोग देखो फिर हमें बताओ कि कैसा लगा आपको.
Well, I think it's a beautiful moment and a beautiful time where all the 3 Roshans have come together. मेरा बहुत खास रिश्ता है मैग्नेट पब्लिशिंग के साथ में.
मतलब it's such a nice thing to see that they've survived, they have redone themselves, outdone themselves, and today in a true way मैं कह सकती हूँ उनका नाम वाकई रोशन हो रहा है. And congratulations to Society Achievers Magazine, and congratulations to the entire team who is doing such a fantastic job. It's not easy. I miss Nari Hira sir. I'm sure he's there somewhere in the spirit to watch us. But yes, it's a beautiful place to be in. I actually feel like I'm back home. Magnet Publishing is actually home for me. So I wish them all the very best.
Okay, sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे सोसाइटी अचीवर अवार्ड में राकेश रोशन जी आए थे, काफ़ी तारीफ हुई इस मैगजीन को लेकर, आप कब से जुड़े हैं और क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो 1984 से सोसाइटी मेघना पब्लिशिंग के स्टारडस्ट के हर इवेंट, हर अवार्ड और हर होर्डिंग का हिस्सा हूँ. और राकेश जी के भी पहली फिल्म और ऋतिक सर की पहली फिल्म से ब्राइट 45 ईयर्स से जुड़ा है. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि राकेश जी का कवर पेज का जो चर्चा है, जो अच्छा है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल और मस्त है और फैंटास्टिक है. तो इसका होर्डिंग्स भी मैं ही लगा रहा हूँ. तो ब्राइट ने 2 लाख मूवी, 1 लाख इवेंट और 1 लाख अवार्ड का काम किया है. तो उसके लिए मैं भगवान का, फैमिली का, मेरे फ्रेंड्स का, मेरी टीम का और मीडिया का थैंक यू बोलता हूँ कि इतना बड़ा अवार्ड का मैं हिस्सा हूँ.